This is the savage scientist Ed right here, and I'm Uber in a police car. What's up, folks? This is the savage scientist Ed, the creator and governor of the state of Swampland. And Swampland is just what I call all my subscribers. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and welcome to the state of Swampland. And if you've been here already, this is my new intro. So tell me how you like it. And tell me what you want to hear on my YouTube channel. Because right now, I'm focusing on computer science. And let me take a look at my notes here because I keep it real here on my YouTube channel. So I focus on computer science, data structures, cybersecurity, mobile technology, operating systems, and the entire computing industry. So if you want to see what would happen if you was to take a SD card, put it in the microwave, then you come to the right place. I seldom do experiments like this, so let's just take a look and see what'll happen. And I want to prove to you that this thing works, so let's take a look at what's on this SD card. So I want you to see that. This is the SD card with data on here. Let's see what happens when we take the same SD card and put it in the microwave. Follow me. Let's see if Mr. Robot's theory is correct. So let's put it in here for 31 seconds. Oh, there it is. We got our first spark. Most likely, this is probably the end of this SD card. And I can smell, all the, and I can smell it. It doesn't smell good. Alright, so now that I'm back with the damaged SD card, let's see if the surface gonna recognize it. And it still smell like spark. Hey, and look at that. Can you believe it? The data is still there. After 31 seconds, after the first spark in the microwave. That first spark probably took about 10 seconds. So let's see what happened after the entire 31 seconds. One more shot. Whew, it's burning my damn hand. So now that I'm back here, this thing is very hot, and it smells like it's burnt. Now this thing done been through the been in the microwave for 31 seconds, and it is still recognized on this computer. So as you can see, you'll have to leave an SD card in the microwave for greater than 31 seconds. So I'm gonna leave it in here for probably a minute. So let's return to the lab. So in an effort to prevent sparking, I'm gonna take and put something over the metal parts so it won't spark. After being in the microwave for about a minute, don't try this at home, this is what we're looking like. Light could go straight through this memory card. See, that light is going straight through this memory card. So after 1 minute and it is still recognized. Let's see if it works. And all the data is still here after 1 minute in the microwave. So this is the type of experiments savage science is gonna do. And be prepared for more programming content. You want to learn more about data structures? And when I say data structures, this is the book that gave me hell. But if you want to learn more about data structures without having to read stuff like this, I'm going to try and break it down so you don't need that. So I'll be covering programming languages, coding, data structures, cybersecurity, mobile technology, operating systems, and the computing industry. Stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to put out more information for you. Let's talk about the sponsors here. This video is sponsored by all my current subscribers. To y'all, a salute. Peace out.